This very thing is what I've learned. You understand? And the thing is that judgment. You understand? Judgment does not happen automatic. It is not automatic process. You get? Judgment is something that grows. It grows like muscle. You understand? The more you practice judgment, the more you are developing more confidence in the skill of judgment in terms of judging things. That's why AI will give you output. You understand? AI will give you output, give you options for you to take, but AI will not give you the best. Like, AI will not choose the best option for you. Understand? Because AI does not understand context, it does not understand judgment, it does not understand risk, and it does not understand human's value. You yourself that is taking that judgment, you are the one to choose, okay, if this one is good or this one is good. You understand? So that's why mastering judgment is the key, you understand, to win in this era of AI. Bear that in mind.